Hi student, in this video I will explain what is Geographic, GIS and SIS. GIS is a system of hardware, software and procedure that facilitate the management, manipulation, analysis, modeling, representation and display of georeference data to solve complex problems regarding planning and management of resources. We have also what is georeference data. Data that has a spatial absolute location and thematic statistical components. Why we use GIS? We use GIS to create topographic maps, contours map and choropleth map. So as a definition is a computer system capable of assembling, storing, manipulating and displaying geographical reference is called Geographic Information System. As we dive in the history, we can see automated cartography. Before it was LIS, GIS, geomatics and SIS. We use it for analysis, predictions and real-time monitoring. How can we use it in engineering work? We use it for development planning, national land and water resource audit, project planning and design like route selection, environmental impact assessment and infrastructure design and risk analysis. We can also use it for operations and maintenance. For example, we have any power plant, there are too much pipings and we can monitor them. Asset management, for example, the South Australian government has a state-wide road inventory including location, land, surface type, purpose, significant condition and fit out for purposes. In emergency, we can use it to find the location of emergency. As a health worker, we can use it in MRI. So these are a little things about GIS. How can we gather data? How can we model it? What was the history of GIS and how can we use it in our engineering work? If you want to read this PDF completely, it's a complete book with examples. You can understand that better. I will provide this PDF book link in the description. You can download and read